Okay. Silence. We're recording. Go.
Why use space telescopes in the first place when we have massive telescopes here on Earth? I need to capitalize because it's the beginning of the sentence. Yeah. And Earth needs to be capitalized.
No, we decided that's not going to be it.
Never mind. Okay. There's a question mark. Oh goodness. Yeah, no, but okay. That's supposed to be for the S. Space telescopes can focus on objects that are fainter and further away than terrestrial telescopes.
There we go.
It also has to do with Earth's atmosphere. That's a period there, right?
Yep.
Particles in the air absorb, refract, and reflect light. What? After refract?
You don't have to do it. Particles in the air absorb, refract, and reflect light. This comma is optional.
Oh, Maddie, I got that one right.
This is optional. And let's go ahead and take that one out.
Is it wrong or not?
No.
It is not wrong. We're going to call it optional. And people call that the serial comma, which means it's a series. Okay, refract and reflect light. Okay.
Warm air rises and cold air falls. I know. Which can also distort light.
Nice.
In space,
Okay.
In space, there's no interference because there's no atmosphere. Telescopes in space are able to collect much sharper images than the ones we have on the ground.
Okay, so there are the corrections.
What?
Excellent. Okay, wasn't it Brandon doing the second one? Okay. If you missed, and remember this one's just for practice. If you missed a couple, you're down to a 90 and we're not done. Okay, here you go, Brandon. Put this to your shirt.
Oh.
5 points each mistake. Okay, let's do this now. We'll just move down. Ready, Brandon?
Yeah.
Read it out loud. Go.
Buddy Space Telescope is more accurate than earthly telescopes.
Wait.
There's no period there. It's after property.
Okay, read. Keep
Oh.
going.
Only if it's
Okay, start from the beginning.
Buddy Space Telescope is more accurate than earthly telescopes. Only if it's designed properly.
Is there a comma after telescopes?
But a telescope is more accurate than earthly telescopes only if it's designed properly. I think we'll call that optional, but it
Yes, I didn't get that wrong. What was it?
Okay.
Wait, what's optional?
Let's put a comma here and call that one optional, but I think it's probably a good place for.
It's optional.
I think it makes sense when you pause. Don't you feel a pause there?
Yeah.
So I'm starting to think maybe it probably should be there. But a space telescope is more accurate than earthly telescopes only if it's designed properly. I think it probably should be there. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, okay.
How about next time you option to do it instead of now?
Is it a comma? No, it's a period.
No? It's a period.
These are after properly.
Properly, there's a period. Okay, keep going.
About a month after NASA launched the Hubble organization discovered that the telescopes they had been working on for 8 years had a fundamental flaw.
There we go.
If that happens, that makes it's been 8 years working on it, and then it turns out
Read the next one.
A mirror designed to reflect light into the telescope's sensors wasn't the right shape. The mirror's manufacturer had made a mistake when building it as a result. The mirror's manufacturer had made a mistake when building
it.
Oh.
Okay, now you need to get rid of that other period. Nice.
That.
Good job, Brandon.
As a result, the images
As a result, the images the Hubble sent to NASA were out of focus and blurry.
Oh, that is right though.
You missed.
Do I have to put this on?
Yeah, you have to clip it to your shirt.
Okay, and keep going.
NASA soon scheduled a repair mission, which launched in 1993. Period. NASA sent up astronauts in the Space Shuttle Endeavour to manually repair the telescopes. Or the telescope. Gosh, it's kind of slow. 5 spacewalks later, the astronauts completed the repairs. They installed a device containing 10 small mirrors that intercepted the light from the primary mirror and corrected the pathway to the sensors. Afterwards, the Hubble began to take some of the most astounding images of space we've seen so far.
Okay. Check how you did there.